Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning we saw a very disturbing footage, a lot of things, a lot of bad things, not good things going on in Biafra land, in our land, in Igbo land, in the southeast. Nigerian military allegedly invaded a home or homes of Biafran people, Igbo people, and started setting everywhere ablaze. A few days ago, we saw a video of NJ Makeup. I think that was the day before yesterday, although we released that video yesterday here on this channel, where he talks about what is going on in Umuaka, a community called Umuakas in Imo State. That they decided to start working with Nigerian forces, Nigerian army. And Jet actually made a video which I refuse to share here because of some of the comment from that video is not. I don't think it's good to promote that kind of thing. What he said, but I know he said most of those things, out of anger. And today we are now hearing that the Nigerian military are already there in the community and burning houses down. No investigation, no trial, nothing like court. I don't know what kind. I don't actually get the system of government that Nigerian government are practicing. I don't understand because military taking over people's village, not like detaining, charging them to court or trying to do some of investigation to find out if what they're doing is worth doing. I don't get it. I honestly, I don't get it. I want somebody to help me on that. Is it the right thing to do, or is it just that nobody wants to pay attention? Because it is very, very, very shocking. You can see here on this video what is going on and everything. So, though I'm going to release the audio, but before then, please do me a favor, like this video and share it on many platforms of your choice. Let us know your take on this. Let us know your take on this because honestly, I don't think is right to do this kind of thing. Imagine if people that are like the owner of these houses, what if they are not anything at all in Biafran Liberation Army or in Biafra movement, that innocent houses being set ablaze, burning. Look at it. You can see this house, the way it is. You see motorbike and everything. So I don't know. What do you think? Because there's no way they will get it 100% right. What exactly is the offense? What is going on? Do you know how much it costs to build two-bedroom flats? Two-bedroom flat. It costs a lot now. It's not something that anyone should be proud of. Do you understand? So please make sure you like the video. Like I said, do me a favor, like the video. Like Emeka Gate said here, Nigerian military on Rampage and all that. Everybody is saying the same thing. But the Emeka Gift also need to tell us. I thought you said that Samuel Ekpa is the problem. I thought the narrative was Samuel Ekpa is the one, buying everybody, this causing problem in the southeast. I thought that was the what we are meant to understand, what we are meant to believe, that he is the cause of insecurity. He is the reason why things are the way it is now. Things are not going well. He is the problem. Once we arrest him, everywhere will be calm. I thought that we are meant to believe that. Anyway, let me bring the video, the way it is. We don't need to waste much time. Let's see. Let me take it back from beginning, and the volume is on. Nke a n'ala Igbo ka nke a na-eme o.
The whole house, I'd like condemned.
Oh, wow. Right. Oh, wow. Right, even guys got what war zone. Look at, and then yeah, when they're going there, the way they're moving. Wow. Okay, so let's move down to another one that when guy share this one. Let's watch this one. This is very, very sad, honestly. Very, very bad. So now, what do you think about this? What do you actually expect? I mean, even if you want to, according to you, you are looking for Biafra Liberation Army. They have made video, not one, not two, not three. They have said it many times that they are not living in the houses; they are in the bush. And truly, you can see that they're good because they don't look at people that are sleeping in the house. I don't. Is it a kind of a way of provoking our people? But this kind of thing will not provoke our people. That's just the fact. Those that agree that you should just go all out and buy them, this thing will not provoke them or make them to start supporting. Not at all. I think the only thing that will push people is when you begin to buy them more in the north, in the west. That is a part of it. That is part of it. Anyway, I'm not promoting any violence, please. I just want us to understand that it did not start today. It did not start today. A lot is going on, to be honest with you. Please make sure you like the video and let me share it so that people will see what is going on. I'm going to buy. I doubt it's not, because truly, if any men outside, please subscribe to this channel. Let me hear from you on comment section. Very, very sad indeed, to be honest with you. I don't even know what to say. When you check on social media, people that are supposed to be, that believe to have something to offer are not actually saying anything. They are dragging one or two things, and that nonsense continued. So what do you expect? Anyway, see you again. God bless you.